If your network documentation lives in a spreadsheet, you already know the problem. Addresses get duplicated, ranges overlap, someone assigns an IP that was already taken, and now you're troubleshooting a conflict at the worst possible time. For small and medium businesses, enterprise IPAM tools are either too expensive, too complex, or both. That's exactly why we built JDB-NET IPAM. IPAM stands for IP Address Management. It's how you keep track of every subnet, every device, and every address on your network, all in one place, with a full history of every change ever made. JDB-NET IPAM is a fully managed, hosted solution. There's nothing to install, nothing to maintain, and nothing to configure on your own servers. You sign up, and it's ready to go. At the core of IPAM is subnet management. You can add any CIDR subnet from a /24 down to a /32. Once added, IP addresses are generated automatically across the entire range. From there, assigning an address is simple. Select an IP, assign it to a device, and it's tracked. Every assignment is recorded with a full history, so you can always see what was assigned, when, and by whom. IPAM also supports DHCP pools. You define a range within a subnet, and those addresses are automatically excluded from manual assignment. That means your static assignments and your DHCP range can never conflict. Devices in IPAM are more than just an IP address. You can add names, descriptions, and tags to keep things organized. If your business has specific data you need to track against a device, whether that's a serial number, a contract date, or anything else, custom fields let you extend the schema without any database changes. And if you're onboarding a large number of devices at once, bulk creation means you're not doing it one by one. For businesses with physical infrastructure, IPAM includes a full rack layout tool. You can map out your equipment by U-position, with support for front and back face placement. Non-networked equipment can be included too, so your rack documentation reflects your actual physical environment, not just the devices with IP addresses. If you manage multiple locations, IPAM's site organization feature lets you group subnets and devices by site. Whether you have 2 offices or 20, everything stays separated and easy to navigate. Finding anything in IPAM takes seconds. Press / from anywhere in the application and a global search opens instantly. Search across subnets, IP addresses, devices, and racks all at once. Every change made in IPAM is recorded in the audit log. You can filter by user, by action type, or by date range, and export the full history to CSV at any time. For businesses that need to demonstrate compliance or investigate issues, this is invaluable. JDB-NET IPAM includes granular role-based access control. You define the roles, you set the permissions, and you control exactly who can see and do what. Two-factor authentication can be enforced on a per-role basis, so your most sensitive access is always protected. The REST API supports both session cookie and API key authentication, making it straightforward to integrate IPAM into your existing tooling and automation workflows. For managed service providers or businesses that want a consistent look, IPAM supports organization branding. Set your company name and logo from the settings panel. If you're ready to replace your spreadsheet with something built for the job, head to the link in the description and take a look at JDB-NET IPAM. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or fill out a support ticket on our website. Thanks for watching.